This is gonna blow your mind. Ever wondered which countries are leading the crypto charge in 2024? Let's break it down. The Global Crypto Adoption Index is our crystal ball, showing us where crypto's making waves. First up, India, taking the gold with a thriving crypto scene. Nigeria's hot on their heels, with crypto becoming a lifeline in tough times. Then we got Indonesia, where peer-to-peer trading is off the charts. In the US, big names like BlackRock are jumping in, pushing the crypto scene forward. Meanwhile, countries like Argentina and Brazil are rocking the crypto world due to economic challenges. The trend is clear. Developing nations use crypto for survival, while developed ones see it as a sweet investment. Which countries are winning the crypto race? Global Crypto Adoption Index Insights. What are the key trends highlighted by the Global Crypto Adoption Index, and how do they reflect crypto's role in global economic shifts? The Global Crypto Adoption Index is an essential tool for understanding how well different countries are adopting crypto. But why is this important? Well, in a world that's becoming increasingly digital, knowing where crypto is gaining traction helps us see the bigger picture. Let's dive deep into what the index is, how it's calculated, and what it says about the future of crypto adoption worldwide. Table of contents. What is the Global Crypto Adoption Index? Methodology behind the Crypto Adoption Index. Current global trends in crypto adoption. #crypto adoption by country. 2024 factors influencing crypto adoption. Benefits of high crypto adoption. Future of the Global Crypto Adoption Index. What is the Global Crypto Adoption Index? The Global Crypto Adoption Index serves as a comprehensive tool to measure how countries are engaging with crypto assets. Think of it like a report card, evaluating each country's progress in embracing crypto assets. The index considers multiple factors, including the number of users, the volume of crypto transactions, and the growth of crypto-related businesses within a country. Experts also assess key indicators such as retail activity, institutional participation, and the role of decentralized finance. The index's main goal is to gauge how deeply crypto is integrated into everyday life, whether it's being used for routine transactions like remittances or online payments or treated as a long-term investment asset. For instance, a country that ranks high on the index likely has a strong ecosystem of crypto exchanges, widespread business acceptance, and a large population using crypto for savings or sending money abroad. On the other hand, countries with lower scores may show fewer real-world applications, with crypto mostly held as an investment by a smaller portion of the population. The index is updated regularly to capture the fast-evolving crypto space, reflecting changes driven by technology, regulations, and economic shifts. Methodology behind the Crypto Adoption Index. The Crypto Adoption Index goes beyond simply ranking countries by how many people own Bitcoin or Ethereum. It delves deeper, evaluating how crypto is integrated into everyday life. The index's methodology focuses on three core areas: transaction volume, peer-to-peer trading, and a weighted analysis to account for economic factors. First, experts examine transaction volume, which includes how often people use crypto to pay for goods, services, or even bills. Next, the index tracks peer-to-peer trading volumes. This metric is crucial in areas with limited access to traditional financial services. In such regions, P2P platforms enable users to trade crypto directly, bypassing banks or regulated exchanges. P2P trading is especially prominent in countries facing economic challenges. The final element of the methodology involves a weighted analysis that adjusts for each country's population size and economic conditions, ensuring fair comparisons. One key factor in this process is purchasing power parity, which adjusts for differences in the cost of living between countries. By weighting crypto activity based on a country's GDP per capita on a PPP-adjusted basis, the index offers a clearer picture of how crypto adoption impacts individuals rather than merely reflecting economic power. This method ensures that smaller nations with less economic output aren't overshadowed by larger, wealthier countries. For example, a smaller economy with high crypto usage relative to its size will score higher than a developed nation where crypto is mostly concentrated among investors. RJAX, October 7, 2024, 5:34 a.m. Current global trends in crypto adoption. The crypto adoption across the globe reveals interesting trends that showcase how the world is embracing crypto assets. A critical observation is the widening gap between developing and developed nations regarding crypto adoption. While early adopters like the US, Japan, and South Korea maintain strong positions, the most substantial growth in crypto usage is occurring in emerging markets. For instance, Latin American countries such as Argentina and Brazil have seen a surge in crypto adoption, primarily driven by economic instability and high inflation rates. Argentina, battling hyperinflation for years, had over one-third of its population engaging with crypto in 2023, according to the Crypto Council for Innovation's report. Citizens are using digital assets as a hedge against their rapidly devaluing national currency. Similarly, Brazil has experienced a noticeable rise in crypto users as it seeks alternatives to its weakening real. Africa is another region demonstrating high levels of adoption, particularly in countries like Nigeria and Kenya. In Nigeria, where a large portion of the population is unbanked, over 45% of citizens have engaged with cryptocurrency in some form. Meanwhile, Southeast Asian countries such as Vietnam and the Philippines continue to lead in adoption rates. In these regions, the rise of blockchain-based gaming and play-to-earn models, where users earn crypto by playing online games, has captivated young populations seeking new income opportunities in a region with relatively lower wages. In contrast, developed nations like the US, Germany, and Japan exhibit a more investment-focused trend in crypto adoption. Investors in these countries are turning to cryptocurrencies to diversify their portfolios and as a hedge against traditional markets. Data also highlights that institutional investments have also fueled adoption in wealthier countries, with major financial firms incorporating crypto into their offerings. For example, in the US, investment giants like BlackRock and Fidelity have launched crypto funds aimed at both retail and institutional investors. The global trend is clear. In developing countries, crypto is becoming a vital tool for financial survival and accessibility. While in developed nations, it serves primarily as an investment vehicle. Crypto adoption by country, 2024. Crypto adoption continues to vary largely across different countries, with some regions experiencing remarkable growth over the past year. According to Chainalysis' 2024 Global Crypto Adoption Report, between Q4 2023 and Q1 2024, global crypto activity surged, surpassing levels seen during the 2021 bull market. When examining data from 151 countries, it's evident that while some nations are leading the charge, the landscape is evolving in diverse ways. Country, loss, region, overall index ranking, centralized service value received ranking, retail centralized service value received ranking, DeFi value received ranking, retail DeFi value received ranking. India, CSO 11132, Nigeria Sub-Saharan, Africa 25223, Indonesia CSAO 36611, United States North America 421244, Vietnam CSAO 53365, Ukraine, Eastern Europe 67556, Russia, Eastern Europe 711777, Philippines CSAO 898149, Pakistan CSAO 9441813, Brazil LATAM 108101014, Turkey, Middle East and North Africa 11141115, 11 United Kingdom Central, Northern and Western Europe 12122198, Venezuela. LATAM 13 17 16 11 12 Mexico. LATAM 14 18 17 13 10 Argentina. LATAM 15 13 13 17 20 Thailand. CSAO 16 16 15 19 16 Cambodia. CSAO 17 10 9 35 23 Canada, North America 18 22 26 16 15 South Korea. Eastern Asia 19 15 14 33 33 China, Eastern Asia 2020 18 24 22 2024 Global Crypto Adoption Index Top 20 Vertical Bar Source Chainalysis. One of the most surprising trends in the Crypto Adoption Index is that last year's growth was primarily driven by lower middle-income countries. RJAX, October 7, 2024, 5:34 a.m. Nations like Nigeria, India, and Vietnam experienced substantial increases in crypto usage as people turned to crypto as an alternative to their national currencies, which were often weakened by inflation or economic instability. However, the first quarter of 2024 also revealed an increase in crypto activity across all income brackets, with a slight pullback in high-income countries like the US and Germany. A major driver of increased crypto adoption in wealthier nations was the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, which sparked a surge in Bitcoin activity, particularly in North America and Western Europe. Institutional-sized Bitcoin transfers saw strong year-over-year growth, indicating that large companies and financial institutions are becoming more involved in the crypto market, further fueling adoption among high-income countries. Meanwhile, regions such as Sub-Saharan Africa and Latin America are seeing a different type of growth. In these areas, stablecoins are increasingly used for real-world applications, like remittances and everyday transactions, particularly among retail users and smaller businesses. Another notable development is the rise in DeFi activity, especially in regions like Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. This surge in DeFi has also led to increased altcoin activity, as many platforms operate on altcoins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Factors influencing crypto adoption. Several key factors influence crypto adoption across different countries, each playing a crucial role in how people interact with crypto. One of the most important factors is economic instability. In nations experiencing rampant inflation or a devaluation of their national currency, people often turn to crypto as a safer way to store and transfer wealth. Another critical factor is access to traditional financial services. In many developing countries, large portions of the population are unbanked, meaning they lack access to banks or financial institutions. Crypto offers these individuals a gateway to the global economy, enabling them to make transactions, save money, and even invest without needing a bank account. Government regulations also play a key role in shaping crypto adoption. Countries with clear, favorable crypto regulations tend to experience higher adoption rates, as people feel more secure engaging with digital currencies when there's a stable legal framework in place. Lastly, technological infrastructure, such as internet and smartphone access, plays a crucial role. Countries with widespread internet availability and affordable mobile devices are better equipped to adopt crypto on a large scale, as digital transactions and wallets depend heavily on technology. Benefits of high crypto adoption. Countries with high crypto adoption often experience several benefits for their economies. One of the most immediate advantages is financial inclusion. Through crypto, people can conduct transactions, save, and invest without the need for a physical bank account or paying steep fees for cross-border payments. Another major benefit is the democratization of finance. Crypto empowers individuals to manage their finances independently, without relying on governments or intermediaries, allowing users to borrow, lend, and trade assets without traditional institutions. High crypto adoption also stimulates economic growth by attracting investment and fostering innovation. For example, countries like El Salvador, which made Bitcoin legal tender, have seen a surge in foreign investment and tourism. Additionally, widespread crypto use can help stabilize economies facing currency volatility. In nations with high inflation, crypto serves as a store of value, offering citizens an alternative to their depreciating national currency. RJAX, October 7, 2024, 5:34 a.m., Future of the Global Crypto Adoption Index. One key driver for global crypto adoption could be the development of central bank digital currencies. Governments in China, India, and the European Union are either exploring or actively developing their own digital currencies. While CBDCs differ from cryptocurrencies, their introduction could further legitimize digital assets and accelerate global crypto adoption. Additionally, as more institutional players enter the crypto space, activity in high-income countries is expected to increase. The launch of products like Bitcoin ETFs has already shown how institutional interest can drive adoption. In the coming years, traditional financial institutions, including banks and hedge funds, may begin offering more crypto-related services, boosting the crypto adoption index in wealthier regions. However, challenges remain, particularly in the area of regulation. Some countries may introduce stricter regulations to control the use of cryptocurrencies, potentially slowing down adoption. On the other hand, nations that maintain crypto-friendly policies are likely to see their crypto adoption index scores continue to rise. So, who's winning the crypto race? Tune in and let's find out together. Don't miss a notification, subscribe to our YouTube channel and the website for newsletters seedsofwisdom.com. Thank you.